Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and firmware so you know which interface to expect. Once done, plug the TP-Link extender within 3-6 feet of the router, power it on and wait for the ready LED. Next, make sure to connect your laptop or phone to the extender's temporary SSID or open 192, 168, 0, 254 in a browser. You need admin login, have router SSID and password ready. This prepares both devices and avoids later drops during the configuration steps. You'll now configure repeater mode, log into the extender web UI, and change the default admin password for security. Then scan for your router's SSID, choose the appropriate band, use 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and enter the Wi-Fi password. Once connected, decide whether to clone the router SSID or create a unique SSID. Cloning gives seamless roaming, unique helps diagnose issues. Finally, confirm DHCP settings. Leave extender in default mode unless you require DHCP relay. You finish by placing the extender optimally, halfway between router and the weak signal area, clear of obstructions and major appliances that cause interference. Then test connectivity and throughput in the target room. If speeds are poor, reboot both router and extender and retest. If problems persist, factory reset the extender and reconfigure, or update firmware through the web UI. As a key troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, try switching to access point mode using an Ethernet backhaul, which removes wireless bridging issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.